Your iPhone 17 charges wirelessly at 25 watts. Most power banks still top out at 15 watts. These 5 are built for the new standard, Qi2 and Qi 2.2 certified, slim enough to carry all day, and fast enough to actually keep up. Subscribe before we get into it. The Baseus Picogo AM52 launched in March 2026 as one of the first Qi 2.2 certified power banks, and Apple Insider gave it a perfect score. At 16 millimeters thin and 196 grams, it is the slimmest and lightest 25-watt 10,000 mAh magnetic power bank available. Lighter than an iPhone 17 Pro, the full Qi 2.2 25-watt wireless output charges an iPhone 17 Pro to around 45% in 30 minutes, and the triple cooling system keeps surface temperatures below 102 degrees Fahrenheit even under sustained wireless load. The 45-watt USB-C wired output is the highest on this list, and the cable variant adds a built-in USB-C for simultaneous 3-device charging. For wireless-first iPhone 17 users who want the fastest, slimmest 10K pack on the market, the AM52 is the consensus top pick in 2026. All the links are in the description. Go check it out. The EcoFlow Rapid Mag is a Qi 2.2 certified 25-watt wireless power bank with a built-in 36-watt USB-C cable that doubles as a carry strap, plus a separate USB-C port for 3-device simultaneous charging. The integrated kickstand supports iPhone standby mode perfectly. Real-time temperature monitoring runs 5 million checks per day through EcoFlow's exclusive cooling structure, keeping battery temperature below 107.6 degrees Fahrenheit at full 25-watt load, one of the most thermally managed power banks available at this size. The 10,000 mAh capacity delivers close to 2 full iPhone 17 charges per session. For iPhone 17 users who want Qi 2.2 speed, a built-in cable, a kickstand, and professional-grade thermal management in a single travel-ready device, the Rapid Mag is a complete solution. The Anker MagGo Slim 10K is the most trusted name on this list. Anker has been the world's #1 mobile charging brand by retail sales for 6 consecutive years. At 0.58 inches thick and 200 grams, it matches the slimmest competition with aerogel thermal insulation and Active Shield 2.0 temperature monitoring, keeping the Qi 215-watt wireless charging safe and consistent. In testing, it fully recharged an iPhone 16 Pro once and then again to 90%. Exceptional recharging efficiency for a 10K magnetic bank. 30 watts wired USB-C handles faster top-ups when needed. For iPhone 17 users who want Anker's proven reliability, warranty support, and the slimmest 10K available from the most established charging brand in the category, the MagGo Slim delivers. The UGREEN MagFlow was the world's first Qi 2.2 certified power bank to reach market, and it brings the most powerful magnetic hold on this list. 17 N52 magnets deliver 9 newtons of gripping force, keeping the bank securely attached during commutes, workouts, and daily carry without slipping. Qi 2.2 25-watt wireless, a 30-watt built-in nylon-braided USB-C cable, and a separate 30-watt USB-C port all operate simultaneously for triple-device charging. A smart LED display shows real-time charge level and wattage, and a 13-layer safety system protects against overheating and overcharging throughout every session. For iPhone 17 users who want maximum magnet strength, triple simultaneous charging, and the full Qi 2.2 25-watt wireless experience, the MagFlow is the premium grip-and-go pick. The INIU SnapGo Air, listed on Amazon as the INIU Slimmest power bank for MagSafe, is the most pocketable Qi 2.2 device on this list at just 0.5 inches thick. Qi 2.2 25-watt certified wireless charging, 45-watt USB-C wired output, and a detachable lanyard USB-C cable all come in a 10,000 mAh body with a clear LED percentage display. In testing, it charged an iPhone 16 Pro Max from 10% to full in around 30 minutes via Qi 2.2 wireless. Strong magnetic alignment holds firmly even through cases, and the premium build feel punches well above its price point. For iPhone 17 users who want the absolute slimmest Qi 2.2 power bank available with fast wired output at the most accessible price on this list, the INIU SnapGo Air is the best value pick. All the links and purchasing details for every power bank on this list are in the description below. Those are your 5 best MagSafe power banks with Qi2 fast charging for iPhone 17 in 2026. From the Apple Insider Perfect Score winner to the world's first Qi 2.2 certified pack with the strongest magnets available. Wireless charging finally caught up to wired. Drop your pick in the comments, and if this helped, you know where the subscribe button is.